Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a mail haul Monday, and I have a lot of new items in this haul to show you guys, or at least I think. A couple things I opened, a couple things I saved to open on camera with you guys. But anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So I post on Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. But I'm excited to open up this stuff with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, you guys. I also feel like a brand new person today. I finally have false lashes back on. And I don't know, I was just in the mood to put some on. And these worked really, really well. Especially since I haven't wore any in a really long time. But yeah, first thing I want to show you guys, I told you I would try to start showing some more like fashion and jewelry that I've been picking up lately. These are 2 Kendra Scott earrings that I just picked up. These are the Lynn earrings, and I just want to show them to you guys. I've been getting a couple questions about some of the jewelry I've been wearing, but as you can see, these are the golden white ones. They're just really, really pretty. And then I also picked up the same style, but these are in black. I think these are going to go with so many different outfits, and they're so cute. I got a really good deal on them, but I'll leave them down below for you guys. The other thing that I'm absolutely obsessed with, I picked up this week at Bavello, is this bracelet, and it's a Kendra Scott bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. You probably can't, but the stone that is in here, it's an opal stone, but it just like reflects all kinds of different colors, like a freaking rainbow. I cannot get enough of these. I'll leave everything we talk about down below, but I just wanted to show these to you guys because, again, I told you I would start incorporating some of the stuff that I buy myself into the videos. Okay, first thing I got in the mail is the Patrick Star and MAC Cosmetics collection. I obviously already opened this, and I am wearing it today. Let me just show you how beautiful the packaging is. The packaging in general, but also the PR package. I mean, is this just not gorgeous? On the side, it has a little thing from Patrick, and it says, "Hello world, I'm so excited to share with you my first collection with MAC Cosmetics. This collaboration is the ultimate dream come true. Never in a million years would I have thought that a young, chubby Filipino boy from Orlando, Florida would ever get an opportunity like this. Can we talk about full circle? I remember working at MAC in Orlando like it was yesterday, and fast forward 3 years later, I'm sharing this collection with all of you. This collection is super glam and meant for everyone, all ages, all races, all genders. I cannot wait to see the looks you create. You all are so amazing, and I thank you for all your love and support. Remember, makeup is a one-size-fits-all." So beautiful. I just wanted to share that because I really love that message. Trying to unfocus on me and focus on Patrick, but just a gorgeous picture. But yeah, this collection, I don't know other than to say it is stunning. So let's go through all the shades. I have, again, the eyeshadows on and the lipsticks. So let's just pop all these out so we can go through it. And of course, a big thank you to MAC for sending this over for me to try out. So as always, MAC was so kind to send over just like some different information on all these things so I can share it with you guys. First thing that Patrick came out with is a translucent setting powder. I did not try this out yet, but I will be trying it out for you guys. The setting powder is $34. It's colorless and ultra fine with a matte finish. And here is the packaging on that. And then they came out with 3 lipsticks, 3 lip liners, and 3 lip glosses. And they all kind of like coincide with each other. So the first thing I have is Edge to Edge lip liner. There's that swatch right there. I am actually wearing this today underneath this lipstick. So that is Edge to Edge. Then you have the next shade up, which is more like a brick shade. It's actually called Brick too. It's more, again, of like a bricky red shade. There's that swatched. And then very last shade is called Mahogany, and this is more of a purpley shade. And then 3 lipsticks. I didn't show you this, but the lip liners, it is a white lip liner, and then it has the like holographic Patrick Star signature. And then the lipsticks are gorgeous too. Again, it has Patrick Star's signature in holographic. So the first shade we have is Patrick Woo, which is kind of similar to Ruby Woo, and it's a red shade. I don't have Ruby Woo with me, but there's that right there. A really pretty red. And then this is the shade I'm wearing today. This is the shade Mama Star. And I love this. I think this is like a darker nude, but it's very, very pretty. There's that right there. Mama Star. And then we have She Better Work, which is a pinky shade. There's that shade right there. These are so pretty and so wearable. Then you have these 3 glosses. And the glosses have the same name as the lipsticks. They are very high pigmented too and very comfortable. I did have one earlier. It kind of faded off because honestly, I've had this makeup on for like a couple hours because I got ready and then I was doing my hair and then I was taking pictures and yada yada. Then we have Mama Star. This one was so pretty. Let me just, I'm probably going to regret this when I look at the footage because I always end up having lipstick on my teeth. Oh my gosh, I just love this so much. It's such a pretty nude shade. It's a little bit of a darker nude, but there is Mama Star. And then last but not least is She Better Work in lip gloss form. Now what I did earlier is put Mama Star on the outside of my lips and then this shade like toward the center to kind of create like an ombre effect. But there are all those shades right there. Absolutely stunning selection for the Patrick Star and MAC collection. Oh, the only thing I hate about swatching stuff is I always start off so tan and then it slowly fades away. Okay, so the lip glasses are $17, the lipstick $17.50, and the lip pencils are $17.50 as well. These sheets are always so helpful. Thank you so much to MAC. And then the next thing we have are the MAC and Patrick Star eyeshadow palettes. Now, some of these are actually shades that MAC already has, but here's what they look like. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So the first one is Patrick Star Glam AF, and I love that it's like colors you can use all together for one look. So here are these 4 shades right here, and then there are those 4 shades swatched right here. You know what this honestly reminds me of? And I kid you not, it reminds me a lot of the Cheeky I Love Sarah E ColourPop collab. Let me swatch this. I'm going to swatch it side by side because you know that's one of my like favorite palettes. It was in my best palettes of 2017 video. I'm going to grab it. I mean, do you guys see a difference? Let me swatch it. I mean, to me, they look like they're going to be almost the same. I kid you not. We are about to find out. I mean, not the exact same, but pretty darn close. I mean, is that not crazy? Okay, no shade. I was just saying, they look the same. This is like one of my favorite palettes from ColourPop, so I'm excited about the MAC one because, again, it's very similar. Okay, so the next palette is the Patrick Star Gold Getter palette, and I'm wearing the gold shade today on my lids. I incorporated a lot of these shades in this look, and the gold shade's called Amber Lights. It's a permanent shade to MAC. Okay, so let's swatch this. And I love that soft brown's in here. I haven't used soft brown in so long. It just made me reminisce about how I got started with YouTube because I used to go to MAC every single weekend. So here are these 4 shades right here. Okay, and then there they are swatched again. Really pretty shades. I feel like this collection, so Patrick, just like the smoky eye colors that he wears a lot. So yeah, so proud of Patrick Star. I always love when YouTubers get huge opportunities like that. And again, thank you so much to MAC for that package. Y'all, the next package was literally like a shock of a lifetime. I had to go ahead and open it because I was so excited. But Huda Beauty actually sent me a package in the mail. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love her eyeshadows. I mean, I talked about pretty much every single eyeshadow palette that she has came out with in my best palettes of 2017. I'm such a huge fan of her line. I even am wearing the lashes today that they sent over, the Samantha lashes. So let me go ahead and show you guys what she sent. So the first thing said Christmas Wishes on it, and she sent over these cute little stickers. They're Huda Beauty stickers, and they have like her face kind of like in little emojis, and then like hashtag boss, squad, poppin', just a bunch of different little sayings. I mean, look at how cute these are. So cute. And then they also sent over these 2 things right here. One says loyalty is royalty, and then the other one says queen. I think these are like the little air freshener things that you put in your car. I could not think of the word. Okay, then she sent over the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I have this. I bought it like as soon as it came out, so I will of course save this for you guys for giveaways. Normally, you know, when I don't swatch stuff, I normally do save it for you guys, but look how beautiful she is just on this packaging. I'm going to show you all the palette, but I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look, it has like sand in it. That is so neat. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna show you mine. Okay, so here's mine. It's a little bit dirty probably, but this palette is just so gorgeous. Here's what it looks like, but it's just so unique. You have so many different textures and just overall shades. You have duochromes, you have like a glittery consistency, a shimmer, mattes, and I just absolutely love it. Her eyeshadows again have been my go-to this year, so I'm going to put that palette aside for you guys. Then she sent over some lash glue. I actually tried this out today and really liked it. I mean, my lashes went on, stuck right in place, and they have not budged. Okay, so again, I am wearing the lashes today that are Samantha, and then she sent over Noel. Looks like this. The next style is Jade. We have SASHA, which are really pretty, and they kind of like flare out on the end. We have Gazelle. And then the last one is Harmony, and these are like individuals. They sent over the 4 mini palettes, which again, I did purchase these myself because I do love their eyeshadows, so I'll put these aside. But so grateful for this package. I cannot believe everything they sent over, and oh, I just love these so much. Oh, and I forgot about these. These are the Scarlett lashes. Here's a close-up of those. They flare as well. They sent over a pair of the Tweezer and Huda Beauty Tweezer Man tweezers, which I desperately need these. I need a good pair of tweezers so bad. Then they sent over the Huda Beauty Winter Highlight Palette, the Winter Solstice Lip Strobe Minis, and then 2 shades of the liquid lipsticks. I have Famous and then Bombshell. So again, thank you so much to Huda Beauty for that package. So super sweet, and I appreciate it so much. Okay, next package we have is from Glam Glow. Ooh! Okay, so this is the Hello Sexy Hello Glitter Mask by Glam Glow. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. Okay, so this is a gravity mud firming treatment, but it's also a glitter mask, as you can see in the photo. So here's what it looks like. It's supposed to be just like their regular firming mask, I believe, but again, it does have the glitter flakes in it. I think that's so cute. Again, here's what that looks like. And thank you so much to Glam Glow for sending this over for me to try out. Okay, and next item came from Pixie, and I showed this to you guys on Snapchat on Christmas Day. This was so cute and so thoughtful of Pixie. It came in this cute little like present box, and this is their Glow Tonic, but it's in a huge size, and it has my name on it too. So let me open it and show you guys. So as you can see, here's what it looks like. And again, it's a huge box. This was so sweet and thoughtful of them, not only to send me a big size, but also to personalize it. So thank you so much to Pixie. And it even has like a pump and everything to put in the package, since again, it's such a bigger size. I like don't even want to use it because I think it's so cute. I just want to like keep it in this little package. Next package came from Smashbox, and this actually showed up today. So I don't even know how to get into it. Oh, here it is on the back side. Oh my God. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, y'all, that scared me half to death. I don't know how they did this, but somehow, how did they do that? It was some kind of something when I opened it up. It had some music. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. So it's basically like a lens case. Is that not so cool? I think this is the same camera lens I have, actually. I'm not sure. Okay, let's open it up. It's like a slide drawer. I feel like I'm gonna break it now. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Smashbox! Okay, so it says new photo edit eyeshadow trios. Shadow in a Snap. Kick off 2018 with the pigmented packed mini palettes. 3 perfectly coordinated shades. Here's what that looks like. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how beautiful these are. Okay, I don't know how to make the camera focus on these, but they have all kinds of like different shades on here. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just like looking at them in awe. Oh my goodness. Here's what they look like right here. So it has 3 different eyeshadows in it, and it says makeup created at Smashbox Photo Studio, and it has like basically like it's a little lens. This is so cute. I want to just swatch one of them. Now this is pigmented. There are 3 shades right there. Okay, I see you, Smashbox. Okay, so there are 3 shades right there. Hopefully you can see that one because it's more of like a nude shade. Be really pretty brow bone highlight. But oh my gosh, I'm excited about these. If you guys want to see like a full swatch video on all of them, then let me know down below. I'm not exactly sure how much these retail for, but I'll leave it down below. Another thing I just want to say that I really am appreciative of Smashbox for is it says share the love and boost your makeup karma. And on the back it says, at Smashbox we believe in giving back. That's why we're giving you the option to donate anything in this box that's not your style. And it has this little thing right here. It says, here's how it works. Choose a charity below. Use the enclosed envelope to mail unopened, unused product to someone in need. Get a natural glow that's better than any highlight. I think that's so awesome. Thank you so much to Smashbox for this package. Let me know if you guys want to see a swatch video on all these. If not, I'm probably going to put some of them aside for y'all because I wouldn't get any of these opportunities if it wasn't for you guys and your support. So I always want to try as much as I can to give back to you, whether it be packages that I'm sent that maybe I have extras of, or just buying stuff for you guys. I mean, throughout the year, I normally do buy a lot of stuff just for giveaways, but so appreciative again. Thank you so much to Smashbox. This on my hand right here looks really awesome. I'm excited to try it out. Okay, next package we have is from Octoly and Givenchy, and this is one of their new lipstick shades, and it is in the shade 326. I always love their packaging because it's just like so luxury. So there's what it looks like right there. This is like such a gorgeous, like perfect winter shade. Again, it's shade 326. Let's swatch it on the hand to see what it looks like. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, even just like swatching it on my hand, you can feel like how just like moisturizing it is. It just glides on so nice. And there's that shade right there. Thank you so much to Octoly and Givenchy for sending that over. Cannot wait to wear this. I've been into berry shades. I know it doesn't look like it today, but I've been wearing them a lot more lately. Next package we have is from First Aid Beauty. You guys, I have been loving their lip therapy lately. I don't know what happened to my lips, but all of a sudden they were like cracked and awful. So I've been using it to just kind of get them back to good. Well, I think some of the stuff fell to the bottom. Okay, well, here's what the packaging looks like. So they sent over 2 different products. So the first one is a coconut water cream. That's what that looks like. And it says it's packed with coconut water to hydro-charge skin with a burst of electrolyte rich moisture. Oil-free, super lightweight water cream instantly absorbs into the skin and dries down with a soft powdery finish. Powdery finish. That sounds interesting. We'll have to do that in first impressions. The next thing they have is a ginger vitamin jelly mask. It's like a yellow mask. It says the jelly mask immediately delivers a refreshing surge of cooling hydration and works to brighten, calm, and soothe any signs of stressed out skin. So very excited for these. Thank you so much to First Aid Beauty for that package. Again, I've been loving their lip therapy and I'm excited to try these items as well. Okay, next package we have is Marc Jacobs Beauty, and this actually was from Influencer, and they sent over their new La Marque liquid lip crayon, and they sent over 2 shades. I have Flamingo and Sin Nudes. I actually tried to wear Sin Nudes the other day, and my first impression is that it's not very nude. Here is what the packaging looks like, but it's basically a lip crayon, and here's the color Sin Nudes. It's just like a very like darker purpley shade. So for me, when I heard Sin Nudes, I was thinking of like a nude shade, kind of like what I have on, but it's just a little bit darker. And the other thing, it's not doing this now, but when I did first open it, both of these were like rolled all the way to the top where I thought that they were going to break off. So just a side note. The other shade is a Flamingo, and it's a beautiful, beautiful hot pink. I'm excited about this shade because it's super bright and super fun. I'm excited about the other shade too, but like I said, just by the name of it, I was expecting something a little bit different. They're very comfortable, very hydrating, and I don't know about liquid. I mean, I don't know why it's called a liquid lip when it's in a crayon form, but either way, there are those 2 shades, and thank you so much to Influencer for that package. This came from Octoly and Lancome, and oh my gosh, they sent over 4 different lipsticks. These are their Velvet Matte lipsticks. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous the colors are. So this first one is the shade 378. It's like a liquid lipstick, and it dries down really matte. These look gorgeous. This one is a Velvet Matte. They're all, some of them are matte, some of them are gloss, but this one's a Velvet Matte in the shade 378. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, next shade is another Velvet Matte. Ooh, look how gorgeous. This is the shade 321. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. All about it. Oh my gosh, these are going with me on vacation. These are so pretty and fun and bright. Then we have a gloss cream. Ooh, again, look how pretty these shades are. This is 319. You can't see this one as much just because it's a gloss, but you can still see it's like a really pretty corally shade. And then the last one is a sheer gloss in the shade 222. Ooh, yes. This one is 222. Let's put this on right now. Love it. Very comfortable, and it has like little glitter sparkles in it. Okay, here's what that looks like right there. So pretty. Thank you so much for that package. Oh my gosh, expect these to be rocked in some of my photos on vacation because they're so fun and bright. Last but not least, we have a package from IGK, and they sent over, these are the Swipe Up No Frizz Hair Smoothing Wipes and then hair blotting tissue. Oh, so this is like a dry shampoo wipe. That sounds very interesting. So here's what these 2 look like, and thank you so much to IGK for that package. I think there's a paper. Okay. Oh no. Okay, last but not yes, girl, is, ooh. Okay, well, here's what the packaging, oh, ow. Let me go ahead and show you. This came from Octoly. Okay, we have another. Okay, and last, oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, my hair, dang it. Came from, and you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this Mail Haul Monday. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.